Gentlemen, I'm Dr. Masha, and I'm going to be completely honest with you. If you've been noticing weaker erections, softer performance, or less sensitivity, the real issue might not be your age, it's how you've been masturbating. Yes, you heard that right. The private habits you've built over the years may actually be training your body into erectile dysfunction. Most men never talk about this. And worse, they keep making the same 4 mistakes again and again. In this video, I'm going to expose the 4 masturbation mistakes that destroy blood flow, dull sensitivity, and weaken your erections after 50. And more importantly, I'll show you how to fix them naturally so you can bring back firmness, confidence, and real pleasure. Stay with me until the end because this video could be the key to stronger erections, better prostate health, and feeling like the man you used to be. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. The first mistake, and one almost every man misses, is depending on adult content every single time you masturbate. At first, it seems harmless. You sit down, open your screen, and instantly, you've got endless novelty and extreme stimulation right at your fingertips. It feels exciting, easy, and like a reliable shortcut. But over time, there's a price to pay. Your brain is wired to respond to real life, arousal, touch, connection, imagination, scent, and the thrill of intimacy. When you constantly feed it extreme visuals and constant variety, your brain begins to rewire itself in the wrong direction. It learns to crave that level of stimulation every time. That means that simple, natural arousal no longer feels enough. You start to crave more novelty, more intensity, and more extremes to get the same reaction. Real intimacy, which is slower, deeper, and more emotional, just can't compete with the instant intensity of the screen. The result? When you're with a partner or even trying to get aroused naturally, your body struggles. Erections weaken, arousal fades fast, and sensitivity drops. Your body isn't broken, it's just trained the wrong way. This creates frustration, disappointment, and doubt in your own ability to perform. Some men even start fearing intimacy, afraid they won't stay firm without visual stimulation. But here's the good news. You can fix it. You must retrain your brain. Step away from the screen and reconnect with natural cues. Use your imagination, replay a memory, build a fantasy in your mind, or focus on how your body feels. Pay attention to touch in a slower, more mindful way. Sound, scent, and even breath can reawaken arousal when you give your brain the chance to reconnect. It may feel harder at first. You may take longer to get aroused or feel less intensity. That's okay. Stay consistent. Within weeks, most men notice change. Sensitivity improves, arousal feels natural, and erections grow stronger and steadier. You'll begin to feel back in control, not controlled by a screen, but reconnected with yourself. Remember, your brain is one of your most powerful sexual organs. Train it right, and it rewards you. Flood it with artificial stimulation, and it shuts down when it truly matters. The choice is yours. The difference is the line between ongoing dysfunction and a vibrant, natural sex life that feels alive again. The next mistake men over 50 often make is misusing edging. Edging, holding yourself near climax before backing off, can be an incredible tool when used properly. It builds stamina, teaches control, and heightens climax. But when done wrong, it can backfire badly and actually cause erectile dysfunction. What's the wrong way? Pushing yourself right to the edge and stopping again and again, sometimes for an hour or more. It feels exciting in the moment, but long-term it exhausts your pelvic floor and confuses your nervous system. Your body gets mixed signals: max arousal 1 second, sudden breaking the next. Over time, that can cause problems reaching orgasm or, on the flip side, premature ejaculation. Neither one helps your erection strength. There's also blood flow to think about. Holding an erection at peak intensity too long without release limits oxygen to your erectile tissue. The penis is meant for cycles of arousal and climax, not constant strain. Repeating this habit can starve the tissue of oxygen it needs to stay healthy. leading to weaker erections and reduced sensitivity. Exactly the opposite of what men hope to achieve with edging. So, what's the fix? Practice balanced edging. Instead of pushing to the absolute limit, learn to pull back sooner while still in control. Explore different rhythms, sensations, and breathing instead of testing endurance. Keep your edging sessions short, 15 to 20 minutes max. I'll always finish naturally so your body completes its cycle. Done mindfully, edging builds strength, stamina, and control. But abused, it's just another habit that chips away at your performance. Balance is the key, honoring your body's limits while still enjoying the benefits. The third mistake is rushing. Think back to your 20s or 30s. Back then, your body overflowed with testosterone. Your arteries were flexible, your nerves sharp, and your erection nearly instant. Finishing quickly wasn't a problem. You'd recover fast, and firmness was guaranteed. But after 50, things shift. Blood vessels stiffen, testosterone drops, desire lessens, and nerve sensitivity fades. What worked at 20 won't work at 60. Rushing doesn't give your body time to fully respond. The erectile tissue doesn't fill completely. Oxygen doesn't circulate properly. Instead of nourishing your tissue, you deprive it. Over time, you train your body for weak, short-lived erections. The fix is beautifully simple: slow down. Change your mindset from chasing release to promoting circulation. Think of it less as scratching an itch and more as a workout for your sexual health. As you touch yourself, breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose, filling your belly, then exhale slowly through your mouth. This boosts nitric oxide, relaxes your blood vessels, and sends blood into your pelvis. Don't tense up, relax, let arousal grow. When you slow down, you don't just enjoy it. More, you actually retrain your body. Erections become firmer, climax more powerful, and your body relearns the healthy rhythm of full arousal. It may feel strange at first, especially if you've always rushed, but once you learn patience, you'll feel the difference. More control, more stamina, more connection. Each slow session strengthens your circulation, firmness, and satisfaction. The fourth and final mistake is the death grip. This is when men rely on extremely tight pressure and fast, repetitive friction to climax. It may feel powerful in the moment, but over time, it's devastating. Constant tightness cuts off blood flow, irritates nerves, and overstimulates tissue. Eventually, your nerves dull. They adapt. The same touch that once brought instant pleasure now feels weak unless the grip is stronger. Soon, you need more pressure, harsher strokes, and still get less pleasure. Normal touch your partners or your own barely registers. Erections become harder to get, shorter lasting, and climax feels less satisfying. Worse, you start realizing you can finish alone easily but struggle with a partner. That creates shame, tension, and loss of confidence. The fix: loosen up. Retrain your body. Start with a lighter touch. Might feel less stimulating, but think of it as reawakening your nerves. Change your rhythm and technique to prevent numbness. And yes, use lubrication. It's not weakness, it's wisdom. It protects your skin, reduces friction, improves circulation, and allows nerves to heal. With patience, your sensitivity returns. In weeks, men who drop the death grip report stronger erections, easier arousal, and deeper satisfaction. You're not losing intensity, you're reclaiming natural pleasure. Remember, your skin and nerves are delicate now. Treat them with care and they'll reward you. So, my friends, here's the truth. Erectile dysfunction isn't just about getting older. It's about habits. Watching too much adult content, misusing edging, rushing. And gripping too tightly are the silent mistakes training your body into weaker erections. But when you fix them by slowing down, practicing balanced edging, easing your grip, and quitting the screen, you restore blood flow, sensitivity, and confidence. Within weeks, many men notice stronger firmness, better control, and more fulfilling climax. Done right, masturbation is healthy. Done wrong, it quietly steals your power. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe for more men's health advice, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. You're not broken. You just need to change the way you do things.